Hey you guys, it's Strategic Panther here, and today, yes, sorry you guys. Today I'm going to be playing as many games as I possibly can in one video, on Animal Jam. So, yeah, let's get started. Let's go easy first. I hate this game. I hate this game. They have it on Bearville as well. Oh, there's no more. Let's try to get there. Oh, hold on. Okay. There. Whoa. Destroy. Destroy and conquer. Does it? For Metal Gear Life. Okay. Okay, let's get at least to level 5 and then we can stop. Get those out. Right there. Right there. Before we run out too many. Let's go to the next level. And now there. So now we get those over here. There. And then right there. And then right there. Oh my god, it keeps on increasing. So what level are we on right now? I believe 3 or 2. Level 3 or 2. Let's get this stuff. Oh, that was easy. I think it's our 4th level. Oh, we're on level 4. And whew, Phantom's out. Level 5. Okay, so after this level, I will go ahead and go to another game. Let's play this game. Gamers rule. No, they don't. But they rule the gaming world. And that's it for now. With this game. If you'd like to see me play more games on Gembreaker, and then comment that you would like to see me play more. And the game is right here at Mount Shiver. Shiver. I say Shiver. Gembreaker. You can play single player or multiplayer game. It'll just wait unless you like. Yeah, you know. Okay, so let's look for more games. There is no games in the Cocoa Hut. I've looked. Let's look for games here. Actually, yes, I know. Oh, look at that. Let's play here. Wind Rider. You can play multiplayer. Nobody's playing, so I'm just gonna play single player. Let's do this. Okay, so. Oh, okay. Look at me, I'm a little Arctic wolf flying through the sky. I should be a penguin right now, because I'm usually my gamer person on this period. Oh my god, they could even fly in the sky, that's so unfair. Oh, but it's fair, but like... Oh, why am I not getting any? Oh, this is actually pretty fun. And I like how, like, it's like baby music. Because it's like, the sun. Chirping sounds to the sky. No! You just lose gems. That's a good thing. Because I don't want to go die on my first try on here. I think it'll take this to the mountain. If you don't have any more gems, you're done. And I am not gonna try not to get stung again. Oh my god, what? Ooh, I think gems saved me. I don't know what. But you get me. And they move according to the music. Woo, I'm on land. Will she get up? No, I won't. Okay. That game is over. Let's go in here. Those games you know about. Okay, so I'm just gonna play them for you. Let's do this thing. Woo. I'm master, I'm boss. You see me? I'll be going like whoop. Okay. I'm boss. Woo. See, that corn was so scared that it disappeared. Okay, I've not been winning at a lot of claw games recently, I think. It's just simply bad luck. Woo! Well, showed you guys that game. Dee-dee-dee. There's a game up here. I'm going to do that on the bird animal video. And let's play this game. I actually played this game before. Let's play these games. Let's play these games. I still dancing. I actually did play this game, so I'm just gonna play level 1 for you guys. It's like in Pet Park. Like they have that, one of the first games you play is this. And it reminds me of Wii Fit. Like, it's like, pop, what up? Look at me! A free ball. Free ball. Oh. Oh, look at me, I'm flying. It's so awesome. Whoa! Awesome. Yeah. Wow, and that was a lot. Ew. Well, I'll just do that. Go, go, go! My little... Woo! I think I just got a jamagram. Jamagram peoples. I like my jamagrams. I feel so special whenever I have a jamagram. It just makes me feel so special. Exit game, because I don't have much time to do a lot of games. Let's see, did I? Nope. Okay, so let's continue on our journey. Our wonderful, amazing, extraordinary. Oh look, we have more games. We have more games. More games. Awesome games. Whoa, Pac-Man! I'm gonna totally play this game some more. Oh my god. Totally not fair. Oh my god. There's one right there. Oh no. Oh, I'll be like beating all of these things. Whoa. Okay. Let's go, no! And I had fast version during that kind of thing. Oh no, they're gonna come. And I'd be like boss. This close one. Gosh! Gosh! Oh my god! That was so cool. You wanna get me? Come and get me. Come and get me. Cause I'm about to eat this thing and you're about to be eaten. And that's when they walk away from me. They're about to be eaten. No! And then more come. Oh well. Right? It's the game. No, go up! I said go up! Oh my gosh. Oh my god! Okay, so how many lives do I have? 2 lives, apparently. Woo, I'll be like boss. Because I am boss. Like, never deny that. No, what? So not fair. Okay, so I have 3 lives. Of course. Well, my video is ending. Okay, well, gonna have to end this video. I'm so sorry, you guys. Whoa! Well, that's it. That's the game. I'll be here, totally doing this next video for you guys. See you guys. Have a great day. Have an awesome awesome world in your life, and peace out.